Don't step into Harbor Freight this April if you haven't watched this video yet. The Spring Black Friday 2026 event is about to turn the stores into battlegrounds, and I'm here to help you become the winner. I have scrutinized the discount list and have in my hands a list of must-have tools that are being offered at rock-bottom prices, from hydraulic jacks to professional tool cabinets. There are deals so good that I'm sure many people will wonder if they made a mistake with the prices. But be careful, not everything labeled sale is a good deal. In this video, I will point out the must-buy items to upgrade your garage without burning a hole in your wallet. Save this list right away to hunt like a pro. If you find my video useful, please subscribe to the channel and hit like. And now let's get started. This is the Spring Black Friday advertisement. Currently, there are 4 pages, and I predict that it will be extended for a few more days before the official event takes place. This sale will start on Monday, April 6th for Inside Track Club members who will have early access until April 9th. Then everyone will be able to purchase at the discounted price from April 10th to 13th. I won't go through the entire ad. I'll just point out the best deals I see. Okay, let's get to the part everyone is waiting for, the items that honestly I think you should consider buying right away. No need to think too much. Braun lights, 40% off. Honestly, a 40% discount on Braun lights is a rare deal. The 10,000 lumen floodlight normally costs around $100. Now it's about $60, which means you save almost enough for a meal out. Personally, I think if your garage is lacking light, or you've had to work in a dark corner, then this is the kind of upgrade you'll notice immediately, not the kind of purchase that just sits there. So fast with Home Depot/Lowe's same brightness level, the price usually doesn't drop this low. You don't need to buy 5, but at least get one good quality one to enhance your work experience. Okay, we also have battery and starter kits, 30% off. Many people often overlook batteries, but let me tell you, the battery is what determines which tool system you'll use long-term. For example, the 5 ampere-hour kit from 20 is now only about $84 in this sale. Think simply, you save nearly $36, almost one-third the price of a small tool. If you are using Hercules/Bauer/Atlas, this is the time to expand the ecosystem. Don't wait for the battery to die before buying. By then, you'll be paying full price. Now let's talk about the Icon Meme Tool, $28. This one, how should I put it? It looks small, but it's surprisingly useful. Reduced from $40 to $28, it's not a shocking discount, but with 35 items in one pocket-sized useful for everything from tinkering to quick repairs, it's really a great deal for the price. This is the kind of tool that many workers buy for fun, and then a month later they find themselves using it more than their entire big toolkit. This is an excellent entry-level item for beginners, or buy an extra one as a backup tool. In summary, this group of deals has a common point: deep discounts, plus long-lasting use, plus significantly enhanced experience. If you only choose 2 to 3 items to finalize quickly, I would start with 1. Braun light, 1 set of batteries, 1 handy tool like a meme tool. Okay, what about the cheap items that are used a lot, like under $20, that you won't regret buying? Moving on to the next part, I'll show you some small but powerful items, the kind you regret not picking up when you pass by. If you find this type of analysis helps you make better purchases, remember to follow the channel. I will continuously update new deals and filter out what is truly worth your money. Let's move on. This is probably the part that I find the most dangerous for my wallet, not because it's expensive, but because it's too cheap, too convenient, too easy to buy. Hardy gloves, 40% off. These things normally you wouldn't think much about. But when I see them go from $3 to $15 to around $8 to $9, my brain suddenly switches to, oh, just get 2 to 3 pairs then. Gloves are consumables. If they get oil tear or get dirty, they need to be replaced. So every time there's a deep sale like this, I consider it a purchase for the future. Don't buy 1, buy 3. Don't buy because you need it, buy because you will need it. Even the Quinn Torque adapter, $35 too. Many people tend to overlook this, but I find it extremely useful. You attach it to a regular ratchet and it almost turns into a torque wrench. Compared to buying a full torque wrench, for a few $100s, This is a super smart budget hack. If you're at an intermediate DIY level, you don't need to buy high-end tools, just get the right accessories. Beside there are a few items under $0. To the small, you shouldn't underestimate. We have a cordless inflator, around $18. You can keep it in the car. If you don't use it, then forget it. But once you use it, you'll find it worth it right away. Or a glue gun, about $12. This is the kind of tool you'll use more than you think. You can use it to fix little things around the house garage. As for flap discs/grinding tools, they cost only about $8. These items aren't sexy, but without them, it feels uncomfortable right away. Items under $20 don't need logic, they are about emotion. You don't need to research, compare, or hesitate. Just see. Yeah, this can be used. Let's go for it. Personally, every time I go to Harbor Freight, I don't buy the $300 items, but I end up bringing home 5 to 6 small items. In short, this is the group that increases the cart value and also makes you feel like you're getting a great deal. Okay, what about those items that directly hit real-life fears like a car breakdown, an emergency, or a mishap? Moving on to the next part, I will talk about lifesaver items. Buy them once, but when you need them, you'll find them worth every penny. If you like this kind of strategic shopping content, just follow the channel. I'll continue to filter out the most worthwhile items for you each sale season. Let's continue. This is the group that I honestly say the least sexy, but the most worth it, because it doesn't sell you joy, it sells you peace of mind. First, something I sincerely recommend, anyone who has a car should have it, which is an OBD2 scanner, about $35. Usually when the check engine light comes on, you run to the shop, they plug in the machine, and you might end up paying $50 to $100 just to read the error. With this one, it only costs $35 to read and clear the error right at home. Personally, I think you can recoup your investment immediately. The first time you use it, you've already recouped your investment. The second time onwards, you start to feel smarter. This is not a purchase because of the sale, but rather a purchase to avoid losing money later. If you're torn between 2 to 3 random items, I would prioritize this one first. This list also includes a cordless inflator, around $8. This one is just like, you don't think about it until you need it. Try putting yourself in a familiar situation. In the morning, you go to work, your tire goes flat, and in the evening, there's no gas station nearby. At that moment, this $18 inflator was the lifesaver. It doesn't pump as quickly as a high-end machine, but enough to get you out of an uncomfortable situation? Just joking. This is like insurance. You don't want to use it, but you're very glad you have it. If I go to Harbor Freight and can only buy 1 to 2 items, I would still pick one from this group first. Okay, so now I have the long-lasting item, the cheap and easy one, and the lifesaver. But there's one extremely important group, the items that upgrade the entire garage, the kind you buy once and feel like you've leveled up significantly. If you like my straightforward, no-frills analysis, just hit follow. I'll keep filtering out the best deals for you every sale season. Let's move on to the big upgrade. At this point, it's no longer about whether to buy or not. This is a group that buys for dreams and lifestyle. We have jack and equipment, the kind of deal that looks worth the money. For example, to make it easier to visualize, Pittsburgh 3-ton jack, around $98, under $100 for an extremely essential item. Daytona 3-ton long reach jack, reduced by $100, now $70, saving equivalent to nearly half the price of another tool. If you've ever had to crawl under a car with a lousy jack, upgrading to this one will make a noticeable difference. This isn't about buying because it's on sale. It's about waiting for the sale to buy something truly worth investing in. In addition, there are also storage, cabinet, and service cart. 56 U.S. General Cabinet, about $800 down, about $100. Full bank service cart, about $500. $800 sounds like a lot, but think of it this way. You are transforming a messy pile of stuff into a professional workspace. And trust me, every time you open the drawer and see everything organized, it feels better than buying a new tool. For this group, don't buy just because it's cheap. Buy when you're ready to level up. This is the kind of purchase you make once used for 5 to 10 years and find worth it every time you use it. Personally, small items are bought for convenience. But these items are what make you want to come back to the garage more often. Okay, so after going through must-buy deals, Easy to close small items, rescue items, and big upgrades. There's one last group that's extremely interesting. Deals with a shocking 50% plus discount, the kind where you have to rub your eyes and look again. Let's explore right away. Okay, if you're watching up to this point, then this part is the easiest to fall into the dopamine trap because this is the type of deal where just looking at the number makes you want to buy it. First, we have to mention the Bauer Random Orbital Sander. It's around $20 reduced by 50%. To be straightforward, this is the kind of deal that thumbnails are made to talk about. Normally, these types of sanders at Home Depot or Lowe's cost around $40 to $60 or more. Here you pay $20, which is about the price of a fast food meal, but in return, you get a tool that can be used for many tasks: sanding wood, smoothing surfaces, DIY furniture. This is the kind of item you don't need to justify logically much. Seeing 50% off is reason enough. Next is another deal at a higher level. The Titanium 140 welder is reduced by about $250, now around $350. Just hearing the reduced price makes it seem very worth it. Let's convert it for easier understanding. Saving $250 equals almost enough to buy 1 to 2 other big tools. But to be honest, this one is not for everyone. If you don't do metal DIY, don't weld, then buying it will just make it a display item. But if you're working on a project related to metal, this is the kind of deal that will take you to the next level. Just joking. This group is like a flash sale in your mind. Seeing the percentage makes you want to click immediately. But a savvy buyer is someone who knows which deals are genuine and which ones are just eye candy. Okay, so after all these groups, I will summarize the top must-have items if you have a limited budget. The next part is the most important: choose less, but choose wisely. If you see this and are still watching, then you must be the type who makes thoughtful purchases. Just keep following the channel, and I will continue to help you avoid mistakes and maximize the value of every penny spent. Now let's move on to the conclusion. At this point, I have to say something that not every video mentions. Just because there's a discount doesn't mean you have to buy it. And this group is what really helps you save money, not those deals that look very appealing. The clearest example, a Bauer pressure washer for about $70. Sounds good. Low price, looks convenient, but if you follow Harbor Freight for a while, you'll see this price appears quite frequently. That means it's not a rare deal, not the kind of thing you'll regret missing out on. You can definitely wait for the next round without losing anything. Similarly, some corded tools like hammer drills, certain sanders and polishers, these items are already cheap, and Harbor Freight often has repeat discounts. Personally, I find this to be a decent deal, but not wow. A good deal is not the one with the biggest discount, but the one that rarely repeats. To put it simply, a 50% discount every month implies not urgent a 30% discount, but only once or twice a year implies worth paying attention to. Don't buy just because it's cheap. Buy when you need it immediately or the deal is rare. If it doesn't fall into these two categories, keeping the money is usually a better choice. I used to buy quite a few things just because they were cheap, then bring them home, use them 1 to 2 times and leave them there. At that moment, I realized it's not that I'm saving money. I'm just spending less. And this is the key point that makes you a smarter shopper than 90% of others. Knowing when to pass on a deal is also a skill. Finally, I will summarize the top must-have deals if you have a limited budget. If you find this section useful, then just follow the channel. I don't just tell you what to buy, I also help you avoid buying things that aren't worth it. Let's get to the most important conclusion. Okay, if you've watched this far and are still a bit overwhelmed by too many deals, this section is here to rescue you. I will filter out the 5 most essential items, not because they have the deepest discounts, but because their value plus timing of purchase equals the most reasonable. Number 1, battery and starter kits discounted by 30%. This is my number 1 priority, no need to think much, because the battery is not something you buy just once. It's something you'll use throughout the entire tool system. Simply put, tools can be bought later, but if you buy batteries during a sale, then you'll save a lot in the long run. This is the kind of deal that isn't sexy, but it's the most beneficial in the long run. Number 2, Braun lights discounted by 40%. This is the kind of thing where you notice the difference immediately after buying it brighter, easier to work with, less eye strain. A good lamp can sometimes enhance the experience even more than buying a new tool, and 40% off with Braun isn't always available. Number 3. Pittsburgh 3-ton. Jack $98. This is a core item, something everyone doing DIY or car repairs should have. Under $00 for a reliable jack, that's really an easy deal to close. The price outside is usually higher, and this deal doesn't come around all the time. This is the kind buy once, use for many years. Every time you use it, it's worth it. Number 4. Icon Meme Tool $28. This one is just like small but addictive 35-in-1 convenient flexible. This is something you wouldn't think you'd use much until it always ends up in your hands whenever you need it. Price $28 equals too easy to seal the deal quickly. Number 5. OBD2 Scanner $35. I categorize this as a purchase to save money in the future. $35 in exchange for not having to spend $50 to $100 each time you read the car's error. Just one engine check, and you've already recouped your investment. This is not a fun deal. This is a deal that helps you avoid wasting money. You don't need to buy everything, just choose the right 2 to 3 items from this list, and you've already won the sale season. Okay, so we've gone through all the deals. You should buy the easy-to-close deals, the lifesaver deals, the upgrade deals, and even the deals you should skip. If this video helps you buy less but better, then you know what to do. And if you want me to make another video like top items not to buy at Harbor Freight, comment below and I'll make it for you. And if you think the deals end here, not yet. There's a secret area that many people at Harbor Freight pass by without noticing the liquidation/open box/as-is section. Here there's a very noteworthy figure discounts of up to 72%. Sounds a bit unbelievable, right? But the reality is that it exists. The items commonly found here have slight scratches, display items, returned items, or discontinued old models. Simply put, no longer in a beautiful full box, but still works great. This is a place where if you take the time to look closely, you might find deals like $00 to down to $30 to $40. That is, the price is like a small item, but the value is like a large item. It's not always available. It depends on luck plus timing. You must check carefully to see if there are any missing accessories or damages. And remember, only buy when you fully understand the item and accept the small risk. This is not a place to buy with certainty. This is a place to buy when you know what you're doing. Flyer is a deal for everyone, but liquidation is a deal for those willing to dig a layer deeper. Like a regular person, buying something off the shelf, someone who knows the game, goes an extra 5 steps and picks up something better. Going to Harbor Freight without checking the liquidation area is like going to a buffet without checking the hidden food station in the back. And remember, it's not about buying a lot that counts, it's about buying the right things that truly matters. Okay, so we've gone through almost the entire picture of Spring Black Friday, Harbor Freight 2026. From the deals you need to grab immediately, small, easy-to-buy items, lifesavers, to even the things you should skip. If I had to summarize it in one sentence, don't shop by price, shop by the value you actually use. Because in the end, $20 can also be a waste, but $300 can sometimes be a very worthwhile investment. Think simply like this. You don't need a garage full of stuff. You just need a few items that you find worth the money every time you use them. Comment below to let me know, what item are you aiming for in this sale? Are you the type who buys a few quality items or buys a lot to have enough? Is there any deal you find great that we haven't mentioned yet? Who knows, your comment might help someone else avoid a bad purchase or find a better deal. If you like content that not only reads deals but also analyzes whether to buy or not and helps you save real money, then just subscribe to the channel. I will continue updating new deals, filtering out worthwhile items, and most importantly, helping you avoid unnecessary discounts. This video is based on a leaked flyer projected sale information, so some prices or deals may change slightly when it officially takes place. Everything I share is a personal opinion and practical experience, not financial advice, not telling you to buy. The final rule remains, you understand your needs best. And remember this before you step into Harbor Freight. Not every deal is meant for you, but the right deal is worth every penny. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.